Today we will learn about Pythagoras theorem, okay, and it is very easy and very important for class 10. Now the statement of Pythagoras theorem is very easy, okay. Now see, statement says that in a right angle triangle, okay, in a right angle triangle, the square of the longest side. Now in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to 90 degree is longest side, okay. That is, in a right angle triangle, the square of longest side is equal to sum of the square of other two side, okay. So the square of the longest side is equal to sum of the square of other two side. Other two side is what? This perpendicular and this base, okay. So this statement can be written as this way also. In a right angle triangle, prove that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two side. So in two language we can prove it, okay. Means proof will be same. The statement can be written in two form, okay. First one is I am repeating. In a right angle triangle, the side opposite to right angle, okay, the side opposite to right angle is what? It is the longest side hypotenuse, okay. So we can say in a right angle triangle, prove that the square of the longest side is equal to sum of the square of other two side, or either the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two side, okay. I will mention you what is the theorem. Now let us proceed for proof now, okay. First of all, given, okay, how we will prove it. Given is in triangle ABC, okay, angle B is equal to 90 degree, okay. Now in triangle ABC, if I write angle B is equal to 90 degree, therefore ABC is what? Right angle triangle, isn't it? ABC, or we can write ABC is a right triangle or right angle triangle, okay. So what we have to prove? To prove is what? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, okay. We have to prove the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Sum of the square means this and this sides, okay. Now we require a construction over here, okay, and it is very easy. Now construction is, we are going to join, okay, that is, we are going to draw perpendicular from B to AC, okay. This will be our construction. It will be a perpendicular, okay. This is our construction. Let it be BD, okay. We are going to construct what? BD perpendicular to AC, okay. Now the main reason behind construction is what? You will come to know it soon. Now next is proof, okay. Now see, we are going to prove similar smaller triangle, that is triangle ADB with triangle ABC, okay. So in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, okay. Now we are taking what? This small triangle, okay, along with ABC, okay. Now we are going to prove this similar, okay. After proving similar, I will proceed to next step, then I will explain it. Now in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, okay, to prove similarity we need only two angles, okay, that's sufficient. Now angle A is common. Angle A is equal to angle A. Now this is common. Why common? Because angle A is there in triangle ADB and in triangle ABC also. Angle A is prevailing in both this triangle, okay. After that, in triangle ADB we have angle D 90, and in triangle ABC we have angle B 90. Each what? 90, okay. So we have two angles. Now we can write triangle ADB is similar to triangle what? ABC. by a similarity. Okay. Now this two triangle has been proven what? Similar. Okay. Now we know that if two triangles are similar, okay, what happens? If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides are always equal. Okay. Now just I will make a note over here, a small note. Okay. Now we know in two similar triangles, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Now this statement is highly optional. Okay, either you can put or it is not necessary. Okay, so now see what we will take. Now first of all, one trick is there. I am writing in English along with Hindi. Common angle का opposite side नहीं लेना है. Actually my Hindi is little bit weak, so common angle का opposite side नहीं लेना. What is the meaning of this? Common angle, अगर if I say in triangle ADB and in triangle ABC, common is angle A. So the opposite side of angle A in triangle ADB is what? BD. So BD we will avoid it. Okay. In big triangle ABC, the opposite side of A is what? BC. So we are going to avoid this also. Okay. तो common angle का opposite side नहीं लेना है. Is that clear? Now that is, so what we have to take? So left is in the small triangle this as well as this. So 90, the opposite side of 90 in the small triangle is AB. Okay. Now if I am taking the opposite side of 90 in first triangle, then second triangle also the side will be what? The opposite side of 90 degree. That is in triangle ABC, and the side of angle B. The opposite angle of angle B is what? The opposite side of angle B is AC. So AB by AC equal to. Now again coming in small triangle, that is ABD. So A तो लेना नहीं है, already I have mentioned here. Okay. So this one we have taken, left is this one. So what is the opposite side of this angle? What? AD. So AD by. Now in this triangle, in big triangle, we are going to avoid this A. B already taken. Left is what? C. So opposite side of C is what? AB. So AB. Okay. So now we are going to cross multiply. AB into AB. AB into AB is equal to AC into AD. Now AB into AB is AB square equal to AC into AD. This is equation 1. Okay, this is equation 1. Now see, we are coming close to our proof. AB square we have obtained. Okay. Now the same thing has to be repeated in the next small triangle, that is in triangle. You can take CDB and CBA. Okay. The same thing we are going to repeat it. Okay. Now again in triangle what? CDB and triangle CBA. Okay. Now see, the way of arranging the alphabet is something tricky. Okay. What trick is there? Now see, I will just prove it. If A is there, A will be there. These two angles will be equal. D is there, so B is there. So D equal to B will be there. See, always will be same. D equal to B is there, isn't it? The second alphabet, the second alphabet. Something is similarity. Okay. Angle B, angle C. So this for arrangement you will come to know in PhD. Not now. Now see. So in these two triangles, in CDB and CBA, okay, angle C is common. Again the same case we are going to prove similarity. Okay. Angle C is equal to angle C. What? Common. Okay. What trick I have given? Common angle का opposite side नहीं लेना है. Interested. Now after that, in small triangle, angle D 90. This one is 90. In big triangle, angle B is 90. Each what? 90. So we have two angles. CDB is similar to triangle CBA by AA similarity. Okay, again the same thing, common angle का opposite side नहीं लेना भाई. So common angle is what? C का opposite side नहीं लेना है. So what we are going to take the opposite side of 90 degrees BC. Okay, so if I am taking the 90, then big triangle also I will take the 90. So in triangle ABC, the opposite side of angle B is what? AC. So BC by AC is equal to. So this we have to avoid. This already taken. Left is this triangle. Okay. So in this first triangle, the opposite side of angle B is what? CD. Okay. By. In this triangle, we have taken angle B. This one is to avoid. Now left is angle B. Angle B, the side of opposite of angle A is what? BC. Now cross multiply BC into BC. BC square is equal to AC into CD. Isn't it? Cross multiplying equation 2. Okay. Now see. Now we have obtained two equations, 1 and 2. Okay. So what we are going to do to get, we have to get AB square plus BC square. Okay. So if we will add in equation 1 and 2, now adding LHS side AB square plus BC square, isn't it? You will get this side. Okay. So adding 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Okay. The LHS side is what? This equation, this equation. AB square plus BC square is equal to, now this AC into AD plus AC into CD. Okay. Now in these two things, what is common? AC is common, isn't it? This AC is common. Okay. I am writing this side in the LHS. AC is common. Left is what? AD plus CD. AD square plus BC square. So this one is there. Now AD plus CD. In place of AD plus CD, we can put what? AC. Okay. AC equal to AB square plus BC square. Now see, AC into AC is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is what we have to prove in Pythagoras theorem. Okay. One very important note is there, that common angle का opposite side नहीं लेना. It is very very important. Mind it. If you take common angle, then you will never get the proof. Okay.